All right, now that we have sent a lot of messages to our topic, we're ready to start consuming from it. So the first thing you're gonna do, let's go ahead and open a new terminal. We're gonna need to spin up that consumer uh, from another terminal, and let's go ahead and execute it again. Let's get into the container. Okay, so now you're inside of it, and let's spin up a consumer. And to do that, we're gonna run Kafka console consumer. Again, connect to the Bootstrap server 992. To which topic we're gonna consume information from. It's going to be the demo topic. And starting from when? This is a flag that I can use, and we're gonna do from beginning. So it's gonna read everything from beginning that we have already insert, and we need to associate that consumer with the consumer group. All right, even though we only have one consumer. So I'm gonna call it demo group. Okay. So we're gonna see that when it spins up, let's see what happens. Right there. You can see that all of the messages that we had sent before were consumed from the beginning. So it's not that we just started to consume new messages, but everything that was there when we set that flag from the beginning, it was captured by the consumer. Okay. So now an interesting thing for us to see is as we type in things into our producer, the consumer is going to pick it up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi there. New message. And you can keep playing around with this. Okay. So I'm going to stop here, and then we're going to look into some. We can do it right now, actually. So let me pause this. Okay. Let's get some information around that consumer group. So the first thing we can do is to list all of the consumer groups. So if we do Kafka consumer groups, Bootstrap server, Kafka 992, and list, we can see demo group. That is the one that I have created. Okay. And if we want to describe this, we can do Kafka consumer groups. Again, Bootstrap server, Kafka 1992. We're gonna do describe, and now which group we want to describe? Demo group. Okay, let me expand this a little bit. So you can see that we have the demo group here. The topic has 2 partitions, just like we have said before. We have the current offset, which is how far the consumer has read till now, 10 messages, okay? On the partition number 1, same. You also have the log and offset, which is what is the latest record that it was processed, so 10, so it processed everything. And the lag represents the messages that are not yet consumed. We don't have this because we have consumed all of the messages. All right. So we're good to go now in the Python demonstrations. But before that, we're going to go ahead and just delete this topic so it can start fresh again. So let me just kill that producer here. And I'm going to do Kafka topics, Bootstrap server, Kafka 1992, and I'm gonna delete the topic, demo topic. Okay, all right, return a success. If we come back here on the UI, and now we refresh this, we're gonna see that we don't have the demo topic anymore. It was successfully deleted. Okay. 404 topic not found. Now we're good to go for the Python implementation. See you on the next session.